Hi everybody, it's been a while. Finally got the oven out today. Beautiful sunny day. Thought I'd make a pizza for you for the first time. Before I can make a pizza, I need to set it up, and the first thing was to attach the gas line to the oven. Little tip to make it easier. I think it says in instructions, but I do this anyway. Just warm the end of the rubber pipe with some hot water and it'll go on easier. And then you just got to clip it on with the... not sure what they call that. Is it a butterfly clip? I'm not sure, but gives us extra strength so that the pipe doesn't come off when you're using the oven. So nearly done, and then we'll get on making the first pizza in my sporty red pizza oven. Right, everybody. So let's fire up the oven for the first time, which is the Delivita Diavolo. So let's have a go. They call it the Diavolo for a reason, I think. It's a bit of a devil, that.
I'm glad I was standing back.
I think we had a bit of a burnout there. Wow. I think my eyebrows are just about intact. Yeah. It is a fiery little number. But at least it started. The pizza came with a thermometer. Unfortunately, we can only find one battery at the moment. We'll get another one, but nice it came with the oven. Normally I have to spend extra on it, so I'm gonna have a go with the Ooni at the moment. So, and it's up to 130 Celsius pretty quickly, actually. I think you want to get to 400. Is that right?
Yeah.
Okay.
430.
430. Okay. So let's. So we're just looking at the flame at the moment. So this is on full, and if you take it down to low, it goes pretty low, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Quite a neat looking
Single
flame.
burner.
Yeah. Okay. Let's
Put it back on full.
dial it up. I'll be back when it's heated up. Voila! One I made earlier, courtesy of Ellie. A simple pizza is sometimes the best pizza. So for the first cook, we're just going to make a simple pizza with a tomato base, some mozzarella, and some chorizo, which was left over from a meal yesterday. So quite simple, but sometimes the simple ones are the best ones. Yeah. So which tomato sauce is that then?
It's just my tinned Fruta, which I chop up using my hand chopper.
Okay.
Do you like a lot of tomato sauce on your pizza?
Not too wet.
Is that okay? Is that too much?
You don't want it too wet, do you?
And then my Napoli cut mozzarella. Do you want to put the chorizo on before or after? What's your choice?
Before, I think.
What, your chorizo before?
Yeah, because anyways, the cheese weighs it down, doesn't it? So,
Okay.
okay.
I asked.
So we'll just pop it on.
Can't see it in the...
It's
the
camouflage.
same colour as the tomato sauce.
There you are. I'll break it in bits, so a bit there. I will admit, I prefer grated mozzarella.
Oh.
I just find that the grated mozzarella gives it a more uniform coverage.
Oh.
Yeah.
Look at you.
Yeah. Express an opinion on my first cook.
know.
Yeah. So now, would you add any herbs on top to this?
I would, but you don't have to if you don't want to.
Yeah, I want to.
Go on
So
then.
what do you recommend? Garlic?
That's not a herb, is
You're going
it?
to say pineapple next? Listen, guys, you'll never see pineapple on one of my pizzas. That is a promise.
I'm not fussy about that. I'll eat anything.
That is... I got hay fever.
Oh.
We're actually getting summer in the UK for 3 days. Right, this is just a Italian herb style seasoning. I think it's got a bit of everything. It's got oregano, thyme, basil, parsley, sage, black pepper, and bay leaf. So just give it a bit of a flavour.
Wow, you've got that right all over the peel.
That'll do. It's fine.
I'm
Okay.
going to do the wiggle test.
Wiggle.
Oh, God. Hang on, have you got your peel ready?
I've got my temperature ready first because we
Oh,
wanted.
you've got your peel, yeah.
We
Oh,
need to.
hang on then.
You know, I haven't been watching you for nothing.
Good.
Okay, so we're back at the oven. It's been on now for probably 10 minutes.
Yeah, hasn't been long.
We did test the temperature about 4 or 5 minutes ago, and it was really high then. It was about 320 then. So I think we're looking for 400, 430. So let's see where we've got after 10 minutes. So just pop it on into the middle of the stone, and it is. So after 5 minutes, quite close to this, and it's.
It is like some of it is 400.
Yeah. So that's in the middle, at the back of the stone. Obviously,
Oh,
it's
wow.
very. The front is much lower. So of course, the closer to the flame, the hotter it's going to be. So, and on the left-hand side, in the middle, on the right-hand side.
It's interesting.
So yeah. So there you are.
Are you going to cook on full flame?
I don't think so. I think that's a big old flame, that.
Yeah. Are you going to try
Probably on low.
low?
Low.
Real as your first cook?
Well, I won't burn it, do I?
No. You've got to get used to the oven.
Yeah. Good though.
Yeah, the low goes very low on this oven. See how the cook goes. You might want to turn it up a bit once you
Yeah.
see it cook.
It's a neat oven though, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Right, so we have a go there.
Well, yeah. I mean, I think you should just
let's-
do. I think you should just check the pizza wiggle as well. So give it a wiggle test.
Yeah. Right, guys, this is what I'm not good at. So bear with me.
Yeah.
Should we?
Ready?
Should we?
Deep breath. Ooh,
Ooh,
that worked
like a pro.
like a pro.
So I've got this big heavy peel.
But that came with the oven.
Oh, this is the other one, is
Yeah.
it? Oh, right, okay.
Right, but you got to keep an eye on that back. Even though it's low, you've got it right up there. So yeah, it's okay. I don't think you need to turn it yet.
The anticipation.
I know.
Will he burn it or not? That's the question.
Yeah.
Well, if you do, you do.
Yeah.
You do it again
Yeah.
and again and again.
Well, you've got to get to know your oven. But you did put it quite close to the flame at the back. I'd start to pull it forward.
This is what I'm not very good at. Ooh.
Get it all on before you.
See, how do you do it?
You start.
Yeah.
Wait.
It's burning at the back.
Yeah. So do you wanna do that again?
So is it a
Try and get all on there and lift it. Is it? Yeah. Get your finger and pull it. Yeah, it's all right. That low is definitely giving you the time to. Why is it sticking?
I don't know, it's sticking out. Oh,
I think should I change the peel? We'll change it to a.
I tell you what,
change it to the Ooni peel. Yeah, let's swap
let's
peels.
go to the old favourite, is it?
Yeah, let's see if it makes any difference.
Old dependable.
One
Yeah.
I would suggest you just turn rather than burn as you get to know
Oops.
your oven.
Oops.
Well,
That's hot.
yeah. I think maybe, yeah. And just flying right to the back.
I know.
Is that peel making it easier?
Oh yeah, definitely.
Oh, that's all right then.
Definitely.
Yeah, you don't need to
So just
get it so far back.
like a pro.
Yeah.
I'll be taking orders soon. Domino's.
Right, because you got it on low, I'm not sure about the top cook. It's happening as fast as the crust cook on there. So you might want to turn it up a bit, I think.
Go on then.
Not all the way, just
It's
a
not- No,
half.
it is a half.
Because that seems I can hear it a lot more now. I think, right, you really got to keep your eye on it. The back there.
It's bubbling.
Yeah, I think the top's getting a better cook now.
Smells lovely.
Yeah.
See, guys, what I mean about the grated mozzarella?
What?
I prefer the look on this.
Well, you didn't get any, so you got mine.
Looks very chunky.
It is chunky.
And definitely cooking better now.
Yeah.
Oops.
Yeah, it flies off that peel.
Yeah, it's a good peel, this.
Yeah.
Yeah. Can you ever take a quick look down? The semolina
Don't take your eyes off the pizza.
sort of burnt. And as I'm doing it, there's a wasp. Ooh. By the way, this is not a comedy show. I think the wasp is fancy a bit of pizza as well.
Smell it. Yeah, the top's cooking much better now. Keep your eye on that back there. I'd check it.
It's getting there now.
Yeah.
Nice. Oh yeah.
Yeah, when you're starting off, it doesn't matter how many times you turn, you're just getting to know your oven. So it's just good to turn rather than burn at this point in time because you're getting used to the flames. See how fast it can go the wrong way because you see how quick that got it at the back there.
I think this could be it. Look at that. That's cooking lovely.
Yeah, let's check it.
Oops.
Yeah, quick.
And
You're done.
I'm happy with that. What do you reckon, guys? Would you eat it? I am.
Yeah, very nice.
Very nice. We've just turned the oven off, so I'm going to check what temp the stone is there in the middle. So that's been off about a minute, so it's still, you know, holding temperature.
Yeah, you will need a few minutes.
You couldn't cook on it. Just one thing to mention, this tray at the front is very, very useful to rest your peel on. I don't think many other ovens have that, and I think that's a nice design feature.
Yeah.
It stops you dropping things, I think. So yeah, guess you could eat it now. The first cut.
You cut better than me.
So there you are. Cut this way. The dog is underneath us waiting for a bit of cheese. He loves his cheese off the pizza.
But he doesn't have much.
No.
It's not good for him.
No. How about that? 2 for me, 1 for you.
This is where the... Ooh.
There's a bit white in there.
Yeah. The top looks... Ooh.
Ooh. That should be...
Brown.
Yeah.
This is why first cooks are so interesting. But it has cooked the base, it's just there's no colour.
Beginners...
First time cook.
Beginner's tip, maybe leave the stone heat up longer. Let's see if it tastes nice. So I'm going to take this piece because I'm not sure about this base.
Yeah, everything else looks really good.
Tastes nice, but the base needs to be cooked more. And as you saw in the video, in the cook, I didn't check the base. That's a beginner's lesson, I guess, isn't it? So I was very preoccupied on getting the top done, but you need the bottom done as well. So next time I'll heat up the stone longer. But it does taste really nice.
Yeah, it's cooked, just not brown.
So there you have it. Off the stone for probably 5 minutes now. The pizza's still hot. It's retaining the heat. So there you have it. First cook in the Delivita Diavolo. It's a nice little oven, and I say the lesson learned for next time is heat that stone up a little longer so that the pizza base has a good cook as well as the top had a good cook. But overall, I'll eat it, and I'm confident that you would too if you were here with us. So bye for now, and so we were back soon with another cook with a hotter stone. But bye for now. Bye.
Bye.